Be silent to get everything, the power of silence. There's a secret weapon successful people use, and most people ignore it. It's not talent, it's not connections, it's silence. In a world where everyone wants to be seen, heard, and noticed, silence feels uncomfortable, even unnatural. But if you really want to unlock wisdom, strength, success, and even divine favor, silence is not just powerful. It's necessary. The loudest person in the room rarely wins. The person who can control their tongue, their emotions, and their reactions, that's the person who has real power. Today, I'm going to show you why silence can help you get everything you desire, and how to start mastering it today. First, silence protects your energy. Every time you speak, you release energy. Talking drains power. That's why after a long conversation, even a pointless one, you feel tired. When you learn to be silent, you conserve that energy. You redirect it into creating, thinking, and building. Silence gives you inner space, the space to think clearly, pray deeply, and plan effectively. Many people lose life-changing opportunities not because they lacked skills, but because they talked too much, they revealed too much, complained too much, or argued too much. Silence is the language of the wise. Second, silence gives you control. When you're quiet, you become unpredictable. No one knows your next move. No one knows what's on your mind, and that gives you leverage. But when you talk too much, you expose your plans, your weaknesses, your fears, you give people the ammunition to slow you down. There's a reason successful people don't announce every step they're taking. Silence keeps you in control, talking hands that control to other people. Third, silence helps you hear God and yourself. Life is noisy. Social media, group chats, gossip, news, opinions, everyone is talking. But the voice you need to hear the most, God's voice and your inner wisdom, gets drowned out in the noise. If you've been feeling lost, confused, or disconnected, it might not be because God isn't speaking. It might be because you're too loud to hear. In silence, you hear your true desires. You hear divine direction. You hear solutions to problems you've been overthinking for months. Fourth, silence protects your progress. Ever shared a dream or goal with the wrong person, and suddenly your motivation disappeared? That's not a coincidence. Premature talking kills premature dreams. When you speak too soon, you invite opinions, doubts, and even spiritual resistance that wasn't meant to touch you yet. Some things need to be built in silence before they can be shown in public. Fifth, silence teaches you patience and emotional mastery. Not every battle requires a response. Not every insult deserves your energy. Silence trains you to stop reacting, and start responding with wisdom. When you argue with a fool, people watching can't tell the difference. But when you master silence, you let fools expose themselves while you maintain your peace and dignity. Sixth, silence creates mystery, and mystery attracts respect. People naturally value what they can't fully understand. If you're always talking, always explaining, always defending yourself, you lose the element of mystery. But when you become comfortable in silence, you naturally command more respect. People lean in to figure you out. They respect your discipline. They assume you know something they don't, and often, you do. So, how do you master silence practically? Here's your 5-step challenge. 1. Pause before you speak. Before every reply, in person, on WhatsApp, on social media, pause. Ask, does this need to be said? Does it add value? If not, stay silent. 2. Embrace quiet time daily. Spend at least 15 minutes a day in total silence. No phone, no talking, just silence. That's where clarity is born. 3. Stop explaining yourself to everyone. You don't owe explanations for every decision. Let results speak. 4. Keep your plans private until they're ready to show. What people don't know, they can't attack. 5. Observe more than you speak. The quiet person in the room learns the most, because silence sharpens observation skills. Here's the truth. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is strength under control. Even the Bible says, "Be still, and know that I am God." Stillness is power. When you learn to be silent, you get clarity, you get strength, you get wisdom, and when you have those, you can get everything else. So here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, practice intentional silence. Speak less, listen more, pray more, move in silence, then come back and tell me what changed. If this message spoke to you, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one area where you need to be more silent? Let's grow together. This is the Spark Shift, Your shift starts now.